Welcome to the December 2025 Hero Studio die set of the month called Alphabet Soup. Let's take a look at this month's die set. This clever and comforting set includes 14 cutting dies that bring a cozy bowl of soup to life. You'll find a circular bowl base, swirl details, a spoon, saltines, parsley garnish, and 2 arm positions to make it look like someone is holding the bowl or soup. The real fun comes from the alphabet dies and pre-built sentiments like get well soon and I love you. You can spell anything out right in the soup. Let's make a card using this month's die set. Start by choosing colors of cardstock for your dies. I'll be using classic white for the bowl, poppy for the soup, fawn for the hands, alabaster for the soup accents and for the saltine crackers, fern for the parsley, beeswax for the noodles, and brushed silver for the spoon. Die cut out all of your pieces. Once cut, start by putting your bowl together. Add glue to the back of your soup piece, then adhere it in the center of your bowl. Next, add glue to the back of the larger of the 2 swirls and adhere it like a C to the left-hand side. Add glue to the back of the smaller swirl and adhere it slightly inset to your first swirl. Using a wax pickup tool, add your alphabet letters to the bowl. Once you're happy with the placement of your letters, you can pick up each letter and add a small amount of glue to the back and adhere it to the soup. For a natural looking bowl of soup, make sure that your letters face in lots of different directions. Once you've finished with your soup bowl, move it aside and take out your spoon and your small soup piece. Add glue to the back of the soup piece and adhere it in place so that it goes inside the embossed detail. For your background, cut a piece of terracotta cardstock to 5 inches by 3 3/4 inches. Add glue to the back, then adhere it to an A2 sized piece of white cardstock at a fun angle. Add foam squares to the back of your soup bowl, remove the release tape, and adhere your bowl to the center of your background. Next, add glue to the stem of the back of your spoon, then grab the hand that can hold the spoon and adhere the spoon so that the hand is gripping it. Add a foam square to the back of your spoon, remove the release tape, and adhere the spoon so that it's just below the center of the bowl. Turn your piece over and add glue to the base of your arm, then adhere your arm to the card. Take your second arm and add glue to the back of the thumb and first finger, then adhere the thumb and finger to the edge of the bowl so that it grips the bowl. Once dry, flip your piece over and add glue to the back of your arm and press it down to adhere to your card. Flip the panel back over and cut off any excess that hangs off using your scissors. Add glue to the back of one of the saltine crackers and adhere it to the edge of the bowl. Add a foam square to the second cracker, remove the release tape, and adhere the cracker to the edge of the bowl. Add glue to the back of the large piece of parsley and place the parsley between the 2 swirls. This creates a triangle with your 3 elements. Add glue to the back of your smaller piece of parsley and layer it over the top of the first. To help your sentiment stand out, die cut a second one from the same beeswax cardstock and add glue to the front. Layer the first sentiment directly over the top. Then add glue to the back of the layered piece and adhere the sentiment over your spoon. Now add glue to the back of your completed panel and adhere it to an A2 sized card base. And you're done! The December 2025 die set of the month called Alphabet Soup is great for get well cards, encouragement, or even punny Valentine's Day or friendship projects. Thank you for joining. We can't wait to see your creations.